Hello my dear student, I am your science teacher. This video is for class 8th and today we are going to start your next chapter 10, force and pressure. You often play cricket or badminton with your friends. When the ball or shuttlecock comes to the bat or racket, you hit it. What if you would not hit the ball or shuttlecock? If you would not hit, you could not be able to change the direction of ball or shuttlecock. When you push a nail into the wall, you strike it hard with hammer. But you can push it into the wall without striking with hammer? No, definitely not. In above the discussed example, you observe that some effort are required to change the direction or position of an object. This effort is called force. Let us discuss more about force. Force, a push or pull. When you want to open a door, you pull it, and when you want to shut it, you push it. In both the cases, you are applying force on the door. Therefore, we can define the force in simple words as a push or pull, or both, which causes motion. It can either be defined as anything that causes motion. However, push and pull are not the only actions that cause motion. Action like lifting, kicking, stretching, hitting, throwing, jumping, etc. also cause some kinds of motion. Therefore, every action which causes a motion is a kind of force. Forces are result of interreactions. It is the interaction between two objects which result in a force between them. Interaction between two objects means mutual action. Considered a situation in which a person is standing near a stationary car. In that situation, no force is acting between them. Only when the man pushes the car, he applies forces and the car starts moving. It acting between them. Only when the man pushes the car, he applies forces, the car start moving. It shows that it is necessary for the least two objects to interact for a force to come into effect. The above example shows that mutual action is required for the effort of force. Thus, one can say that a force between two objects come into play only when there is an interaction between them. For example, a book laying on a table will not move unless you push or pull it by touching with your hand. A bottle cap will not open unless you twist it by applying force with your hand. A bicycle will not move until you pedal it. From the above discussed example, you must be assuming that during interaction of two objects, force has been acted on the object that has moved. However, during the interaction of two objects, force act on both the objects. For example, when we kick a football, it moves away due to the action of force. When you lift a weight, you are applying a force on it, but at the same time weight is applying a force on your hand due to which your hand is feeling stretched. मीन्स बल वह कारक है जो किसी भी वस्तु के अवस्था में परिवर्तन आ सकता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यदि कोई वस्तु विरामावस्था में रखी हुई है तो उसके अवस्था में तब तक परिवर्तन नहीं लाया जा सकता जब तक उस पर बल न लगाया जाए। Effects of force. When a force is applied on an object, it can bring about the following changes. First, a force can change the state of motion of a body. When a force is applied on a body which is at rest, it makes the body move. Thus, a force can change the position of body. For example, you can change the position of a ball which at rest or in motion by applying force. Second, a force can change the shape of an object. A force can change the shape of an object. Observe your mother carefully when she make chapati. Firstly, she make ball of the dough and then apply force on her hand on the roller to give it the shape of a chapati. Similarly, when you stretch a rubber band or a spring, you change their shape. Type of forces. Different kind of forces come into playing in interaction take place between object or people. Forces are broadly divided into two categories: contact force, non-contact forces. Contact force. A force that acts when two objects come into contact with each other is called a contact force. This force acts only when objects touch each other directly. For example, a bucket cannot be lifted without holding. A book cannot be pushed without touching it. Contact forces are of following types: muscular forces, frictional forces, elastic force. Muscular force. The force applied by muscles of the body is called muscular force. For example, while lifting the school bag, you apply force using the muscles of your arms. Muscular force is applied all the time to push or pull things, to hold various things like pen, cup, bag, etc. Frictional force. This is a contact force which comes into play when a body slides or trained in to slide on another body. This force also acts on moving object in the direction opposite to that of motion and thus poses of motion. This force is contact force as it arises due to connect between two surfaces. For example, when you roll a ball on the floor or ground, it comes to rest after traveling a certain distance. However, you do not apply any force to stop it. Third, elastic force. When certain objects like a spring, rubber band, etc. are stretched, their shape and size get changed. But as soon as the stretching force is removed, they regain their original shape and size. The force which brings them in the original shape and size is called elastic force. Second, non-contact forces. The force exerted by an object on other object without having any contact is called non-contact force. For example, a magnet attracts iron nail from a distance, earth attracts everything toward itself, etc. Non-contact force are of following types: magnetic force. The force by which a magnetic attract thing made of iron is called magnetic force. Gravitational force. All the things fall toward earth and not go away from it. This is because Earth pulls everything toward itself with a force called gravitational force or force of gravity. This force was discovered by Newton. He concluded that every object in this universe attracts every other object toward itself with a force called gravitational force. This force depends upon the masses of the object and distance between them. The gravity is not only for the earth but it is applied in entire universe. This force is always attractive in nature. Third, electrostatic force. Have you ever seen sparks when you take off your woolen pullover in the dark? The spark is produced due to the static electrical charge on your pullover. There are two types of electrical changes in nature, positive and negative. Similar charges always repel each other while opposite charge always attract each other. The force that acts between the two charges lying at rest is called electrostatic force. Nuclear force. Every matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are the smallest unit of matter. The central part of an atom is called nucleus. The forces which exert between nuclei of different atoms are called nuclear forces. These forces are the strongest forces. Exploring forces. For understanding the action of forces properly, consider the following cases. These are the process. You read and study this. Unit of force. The SI unit of force is Newton, named after the famous scientist Sir Isaac Newton. Kilogram weight is also a unit used for force, where 1 kg 9.8 Newton. The CGS unit of force is Dyne. Pressure. Pressure is closely related to the force. The word pressure has come from the word pressing down. When we press a surface with a force, we can say that we are applying pressure on it. In fact, impact of a force on a surface is the measure of pressure exerted by the force of the surface. Therefore, to understanding the relation between force and pressure, we need to pay attention on the following question. Which is easier to push into a wooden board, the cap of your pen or an iron nail? Which kind of knife can cut the vegetable easily, the sharp knife or the blunt one? When a hammer hit the sharp nail, it easily entered into the wooden board, while the cap of your pen does not. Similarly, the vegetables are easily cut with sharp knife, but on applying the same force, the blunt knife does not work. But if amount of force is similar, then why does this difference is result come out? It so there is something more which describe pressure and other than force. Perform the following activities to find out the answer of above asked question.